This is in your opinion, Pedego's best bike?
Yeah. This is the step-through version. Again, comes in the classic one. Ridge Rider has, it's a class 2 with throttle and pedal assist, 20 miles an hour. There's a kit that allows it to go to 28 miles an hour. It turns into a class 3 bike.
You have to buy the kit?
You have to buy the kit. Not only is it a software change, but they have to change out the bottom bracket, put in a different cassette. So it's a bit of a thing. So
same batteries?
Same setup as the Trail Tracker. Big differences are that it's got the front shock, 27.5-inch tires. And that's just Ardents or Icons, I can't remember which one. 10 gears instead of 7.
Yeah.
Uses the paddle shifting. So that's nice gear changing tech. And it's got the torque sensing pedal assist. So right now you can actually change it from torque sensing to cadence sensing, depending on your mood. You know the difference?
I do, but I'd love to hear you explain it.
So with cadence sensing, it just senses the motion of the pedals, and each level of pedal assist is pre-programmed to go to a certain level. So level 1's 10 miles an hour, level 2's 15, whatever the numbers are. And you change it, it goes to that speed, regardless of what you're doing. If you have it in torque sensing mode, it will sense the pressure being put on the pedals. If you're just cruising along on level 1, it's only going to give you about 6 miles an hour of power, and then if you start pushing harder on it, it'll take it to the full level 1 power. So you can kind of vary your speed. You mentioned about the element that it went really, like it kind of jumped every time you went to pedal assist level. This is much smoother transition between levels of assist, and it gives you a little bit more of a natural feeling that you're doing more of the work. The pedals are doing a little bit less.
Okay.
Unless you push harder and then it goes, okay, full power to you.
All right. The Ridge Rider from Pedego. We're here in Westlake, California, Westlake Village, and we're riding the Ridge Rider from Pedego. And really nice bike, 27.5 by 2-inch tires, 500-watt hub motor, but it's really 1,000 peak, which is true. It's got some serious freaking torque in the low end, some nice speed in the high end. It's $3,900. If you were to spend a little bit more, a few hundred more, you could get it up to 28 miles an hour. It goes to 20. I actually got it to 21. It's got front suspension, and it's got preload and lockout. It's got some nice attention to detail on the wrapping of the cords. It's got a really nice integrated battery. And yeah, I'm a big fan of this bike. It's got the dual sport tires. You could definitely do some light trail riding, or excuse me, some heavy trail riding, some light off-roading, some lower the tire pressure and get some, do some sand and some sand and some gravel. It's just dialed in. It's nice. The torque sensing and the cadence sensing, shifting, with the pedal assist levels. I like that a lot. It's a high-end bike. You're getting what you're paying for. It looks like kind of like like the Rad Rover and the Himway Cruiser, though it only has 2-inch wide tires. But I think you're getting something a little bit more powerful. Definitely something more powerful. You're getting something a lot higher quality, and it's just dialed in. You're getting a much better bike. So anyway, that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Let's take a quick little look of it. And let's see. It's got hydraulic disc brakes, I think. No, it looks like mechanical. Yeah, I think I'll check. Mechanical disc brakes. And just overall, really nice bike. Nice and clean. Good looking bike. Nice digital display. Power, battery percentage, speed, pedal assist levels, the time, and odometer, trip odometer, etc. And twist throttle, and 48 volt 12 amp hour, 14 amp hour battery, and it's nice and integrated into the frame. I really like that. It's got a place for a bottle holder. Really like that, and a nice step over design, you know. So anybody could ride this thing. Linda's 5'5", and she's riding this thing, and she said that it's the bike that she wants. So anyway, that'll do it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.